Hi, this is Usha. Welcome to Rathod Science classes and welcome back to Target Prelims 2021 series. In this lecture, we are going to see one new scheme, that is Satat scheme. So every year in your prelims, you can expect 2 to 3 questions from scheme. So particularly, I am covering all the schemes which are very much important for upcoming prelims. So first, let us see details of this scheme first of all. So what is this Satat stands for? So SATAT, SATAT stands for Sustainable Alternative Towards Affordable Transportation. So it is mainly talking about affordable transportation and also sustainable alternative. Okay, we are mainly going for alternative. Alternative to what? Alternative to fossil fuels now we are using. So this scheme mainly focused on sustainable alternative towards affordable transportation, and it is an initiative which mainly aimed at setting up of compressed biogas production plants. So here alternative we are going to compressed biogas production plants and make them available in the market for use in automotive fuels by inviting expression of interest from potential entrepreneurs. So from potential entrepreneurs, we are going to invite expression, okay, and this initiative which is mainly aimed at setting up of compressed biogas production plants, okay. So we are going to set up compressed biogas production plants under this scheme, and after setting up of this, so we will make available in market for use in automotive fuels. And this initiative launched in October 2018 by which ministry? Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. So this will be one important prelims fact. In association with PSU Public Sector Undertaking, that is Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. So now let us try to see how it will work. So waste will be segregated and waste will be collected and it will be taken to plants. So in this plants we are going for processing and we are converting that waste into energy. For example, fuel, gas and electricity. So if you are talking about implementation of this scheme, so here this compressed biogas plants, they are proposed to set up mainly through independent entrepreneurs. So through independent entrepreneurs, so this CBG plants are proposed, and this CBG produced at these plants will be transported through cascades of cylinders to fuel station networks. Okay, so whatever the fuel or whatever the thing which we generated in plants, that will be taken, okay, to fuel stations through cylinders, and about 1500 strong CNG stations network in the country currently serves about 32 lakh gas based vehicles, and entrepreneurs would be able to separately market the other byproducts from these plants. For example, we can talk about biomanure, carbon dioxide, etc. here, that will help to enhance returns on investment. And so far 9 compressed biogas plants have been commissioned and started supply of this gas under this scheme. So these plants are located in states like Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. So what will be benefits of this program? So first one is there are multiple benefits from converting this agriculture residue and as well as cattle dung, municipal solid waste into CBG on commercial scale. So first one is it will be helpful for waste management and also reduce carbon dioxide emissions and pollution, and also it will create some additional revenue source for farmers. It will also boost entrepreneurship, rural economy and employment, and will be also supporting national commitments in achieving our climate change goals, and will also help for reducing of import of natural gas and as well as crude oil, and also it will helpful mainly to maintain crude oil prices also. So these will be some important benefits. Okay, so this infographic, it is also talking about how we are going for sustainability, how we are going for improved biomass, plant biomass and deconstruction, separation and conversion. Okay, so you can see this easily here. And now let us try to answer some possible questions from this scheme. So first question here is, SATAT scheme is an initiative of Government of India which aims at. So it is talking about what is the aim of this scheme. So option A is promoting self-help groups in rural areas. Option B is providing financial and technical assistance to young start-up entrepreneurs. Next one is promoting affordable transportation. And option D is providing affordable and quality education to citizens for free. So actually, if you know full form of this SATAT, then you can easily identify correct option, that is promoting affordable transportation. So correct option here is C. And now let us see next question. Sustainable alternative towards affordable transportation, that is SATAT, is an initiative of which ministry? So in this way also you can expect question. So it is a very simple, that is Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. So option A is correct answer. So by this we are concluding today. Thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.